Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to start a new series of Laravel and Vue. So as you guys can see, I have already downloaded Laravel. Now let's see how we can install Vue.js on it and how we can configure it. First of all, I will open the terminal, and in the terminal I will type composer require Laravel-UI. Okay, the installation is finished. Now I will type PHP artisan UI view dash dash auth to create the authentication like login and registration. Now I will type npm install to install the packages. After the npm installation is finished, then I will type npm run dev to compile the changes that we brought. Okay, now if I go to my packages package.json and close the terminal, as you guys can see, the view is installed. And if I go to my route resources js, and as you can see, there's a folder created with the name of component, and inside that an example component. So it means the view is installed successfully. Now let's go to our .env and set up our database connection. So I will come to my .env db database and write my database name. For example, Laravel Vue. Now let's run our migration in a new terminal. PHP artisan migrate. So the database is not available. It's asking me that do I want to create a new one? So I will say yes, enter. Migration is running successfully. So my database connection has been done. Now I want to access this component, this view component. So let's see how we can access it. For that, in my views, in welcome, I will delete everything and create a new HTML tag in the head, because I am using void. In here I will type add void and open array. Inside this I will type the full path of my app.js, which is inside resources js app.js. Now inside the body I have to create a div with the id of app. So now if I go to my app.js and copy this component, example component, I have the name of that, which is like this, and inside this app div I will type it like at HTML tag. Now let's run our project by typing PHP artisan serve, enter. Now let's go to this link. As you guys can see, I have accessed my component. Now the problem in here is that it's without styles, so we also have to import the styles also. For that, inside this array, which is v, inside here I will type a comma and I will import this app.scss. So for that, again I will type the full path, which is inside resources ass app.scss. Now let's save. Let's go back to our browser. As you guys can see, it now imported our component with the styles.